Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing. I get asked from time to time why I don't do reviews of the old shoes that I buy. And I buy a lot of old shoes. Dead stock, of course, but in lack of new shoes that I like, I go back and buy shoes that I regret not buying earlier. And these are one of those kind of shoes. This is the Air Jordan 8 Champagne from the Confetti and Champagne pack. By the way, big thanks to Booman for helping me get these shoes because the seller didn't want to ship them. So in 2014, I think, we got the cigar and champagne pack, and I don't have those. The cigar sixes are kind of nice. Well, the pack is nice. And then 2 years later, we thought that this was going to be something that we would get every year, this CNC pack. But 2 years later, in 2016, we got the champagne and confetti pack. Yeah. And I like the shoe. I did. The black one, the confetti one, is super boring. I don't care about those at all. And I see people trying to sell them all the time. I just wanted to show you this. This is the cork on the inside of the box to mimic the cork of the champagne bottle. And here we have confetti. So back to the shoe. The confetti and champagne pack, the black ones are super boring. I see people try to sell them all the time. And this is the champagne pack. And I don't know what's champagne about this. Maybe the color. No, I can't see it. But the reason why I didn't buy them was because, first of all, I like this color, the bone color, the gold details. I like this off-white. Yeah, I really like the color, and I like the gold, of course, even though it looks super plastic, which it is. But what I didn't like was the fingerprints. I'm going to show you close up later. So the fingerprints on the both side of the shoe are supposed to mimic the fingerprints of the O'Brien, I think it's called Larry O'Brien trophy, when Michael Jordan is holding the trophy and the fingerprints is his fingerprints. I'm pretty sure that is not his exact fingerprints, but it's supposed to mimic him holding the trophy. So why are these called champagne? The trophy is gold colored, but I get it. It's a CNC pack. We call it the CNC pack, not the trophy in confetti, but either way. So on the plastic part, we have this sort of shine, the gold shine of it. And of course the gold details. Yeah, we have the gold shimmering everywhere. On the sole, we have small gold flakes. I hope you can see that in the lighting. And on the sole as well. So I actually like them more than I thought I would. The only reason why I bought them now was in lack of something else to buy. So yeah, instead of buying, or I tried to buy the green Jordan 5 that were released last week, but I didn't get them, so I bought these instead. There's just one problem with these. These are size 11.5. And as you might know if you checked my videos before, my channel, I'm a size 12. And I can probably do the length of a US 11.5, but it's the width. I have wide feet. That's my problem. And all shoes with straps like this, I have a problem with. On the inside, it says World Championship again and again. And this is to celebrate the three-peat that the Bulls did 92, 93, I think. Don't quote me on that. Just Google it. I really like the gold shimmering in the sole, and I can do with the fingerprints. I understand the whole meaning behind it. Yeah, I like them. But when they came to Sweden, the retail price in US was $250. The retail price in Sweden was almost $300. So this is the most expensive Air Jordan, except from the Pinnacle and premium ones. And I can't say that these are worth any more than any. I mean, we have glitter in the wherever I have them. The Aquas. These were 220, no less, 200 back in those days. So I can't understand why they put that pricing on it. I think it was a time where Jordan Brand and Nike tried to see the level of their fans, how much were willing to pay because of the resale prices anyway. And these now resell for roughly $500, depending on the size, plus minus $50. And it's a cool shoe, but nothing extra premium of them. The tongue is leather instead of fabric, so that's nice. Yeah, that's nice. I'm gonna try them on. First of all, give you a close-up of it, and then try them on, see how. I really hope they fit, because I do like them. I really do like them. So I hope I can stretch them out maybe. So here we have them. I don't know what this one says. Official certified celebration gear. And well, that's kind of cool instead of your standard one. Here we have the fingerprints. As you can see, there is plastic on it now. I think I'm gonna leave it on until it falls off by itself. I don't know. Fingerprints, same here. And I really didn't like this when they were first released, or when they were released. You see the gold shimmering everywhere? I'm gonna put the flash on the camera to see as well. I really like these, no matter what you call them. I don't see the champagne thing, but I really like them. See if you can see the speckles, the shimmering better. Cool shoe. It was not worth the $300+ in Sweden 4 years ago, and it's not worth the $500 today. But if you can find them for retail or under retail today, buy them, because it's a super cool shoe. Oh, damn it. As I expected, they are too narrow. The Air Jordan 8 in general are pretty narrow, especially this part here. And that's where I always have the problem with my feet or shoes. And then the straps doesn't do it any better. The length is okay. I can't do the length. So that's good for me to know that in another pair of shoes, like the, I don't know, the 6s maybe, or the 13, I could do 11.5. This is my first 11.5 ever. I have never even wanted to try 11.5. So, and that's the issue when ordering shoes online and not being able to try them out in store. That I always go with the safe size, and my safe size is US 12. Cool shoe. I could go to a cobbler and he could probably stretch them out, but I also think that if I wear them which I usually don't do with my shoes. I only wear them once. I could stretch them out myself. So yeah, it's that part right there. Cool shoe. Thanks for watching this video about these old shoes that you have probably seen, if you're interested. 200 videos of them already. So yeah, this is what I bought last week. And Metallic 5s and Wata LeBron 17. Yeah, I buy shoes all the time. Please subscribe to my channel to see more unboxing videos and reviews. Thanks.